Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned salmon curry. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of salmon, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite red curry paste. Also, prepare 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Don't forget a tablespoon of cooking oil and a pinch of salt. Now, let's build the flavor base. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and cook for about 5 minutes until it's soft and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, stirring constantly for 2 minutes. It's time to combine everything. Carefully drain and flake your 2 cans of salmon, discarding any large bones or skin. Pour in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. For the finishing touches, stir in 1 cup of fresh spinach or sliced bell peppers and cook until just tender. Season your curry with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving over rice or with naan bread. This quick and easy meal is perfect for any weeknight. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.